Hello students. So let's solve this question. So the question is from a triangles chapter, class 10 mathematics CBSE. So in the question it's given, in a parallelogram ABCD, side AD is produced to a point E and BE intersects CD at F. So prove that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Here we can see this parallelogram ABCD where B AD is extended till point E and E and B are joined, so which intersect CD at F. So now we have two triangles here. So that is triangle A B E, and we have triangle here CFB. So in these two triangles, so we need to prove this triangle ABE and CFB are similar. So for this, let us take the angles, because here the angles appear to be the corresponding angles appear to be equal. So let's see here. So we know that this angle AEB, angle AEB, angle AEB is equals to angle FBC. Because they are alternate angles, because we know that this AE and AE and BC are parallel, because AE and BC are parallel. So next we have angle F, angle EB, angle EBA, angle EBA is equals to angle F or BFC. The angle EBA, this angle is equals to this angle. Angle EBA equals to BFC, because again alternate angles. And we have this angle C is equals to angle A, because they are opposite. Angle A equals to angle C, because they are opposite angles of parallelogram which are equal. So now we know all the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. Then we can use this theorem. If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence the two triangles are similar. So that's why the two triangles are similar, hence we have proved. For more such videos, please subscribe this channel, and if you want a personal tuitions with me or any doubt solving sessions, you can contact me, which is in description box. Thank you.